All right, so let's go first things first, and this is pretty much exactly like the two problems we did with the phone charges. So the first thing you have to do is come up with a function rule that models this situation. Now I don't know if you noticed, but when I was doing those examples, instead of using f and x, I used a c and an m. Why? For fun, yeah. But C stands for cost and M stood for minutes. Okay, so you don't always have to use F and X, although you can and it wouldn't be wrong. But it helps if you use letters that make you understand what it stands for. So what did you say? Cost and ticket. So you could call it C and then we're going to go per ticket. So that makes it a little bit clear what we have going on. All right, so what is my function rule, not what is the answer to the question? 250 plus 35x. So you have to pay $2.50 no matter how many you order, and then also $35 per ticket. All right, does that make sense? Okay, and then you guys asked a great question. Are we ordering the tickets together, or are we going each individually? I'm going to order the tickets for the four of us, and then you guys can each give me your $35. I'll cover the handling fee, don't worry about it. So that means I'm going to plug 4 into this equation for t, which is why somebody asked, what's 35 times 4? What is 35 times 4? 140. So my total cost will be $942.50, right? Okay, so most of these problems that you're going to work on today are set up this way. There's one thing that you have to pay right at the beginning. Maybe it's a charge for the plumber to show up at your house. I don't know, I can't make up anything else like that. And then there's going to be another cost that depends on how many tickets you buy, or how many hours they work, or how many cakes you order, or something like that, and that's the one that's going to be multiplied by the variable. So let's do one more, but let's do it out loud. Okay, so you don't have to write this down. You are buying bottles of a sports drink for a softball team. Each bottle costs $1.19. What function rule models the total cost of the purchase? So the cost of the bottles is going to be what? If each bottle costs $1.19. 119 times B. So this one does not have some sort of a fixed cost associated with it. It's just $1.19 per bottle. So then we want to evaluate this function for 15 bottles. How would you figure that out? Just plug it in, 1.19 times 15, and Jennifer says that is 17 point what? 85. $17.85 for the 15 bottles of sports. Yeah. So you got it? All right, let's find out. It's word problem day today. Everybody loves word problems. And 14.